Yeah, yeah. Out in the wild, no chains, no ties. I bought my freedom under open skies. Wired my soul to the power of the sun. DIY, solar.com, got it all done. Solar dream, yeah, I'm breaking free. Living off the grid, just the earth and me. Yeah, no more wires, no more greed. I got the power that I need.
We use only the finest inverters, batteries, solar modules, racking, and switchgear in our DIY solar backup systems. You'll never find one of those cheap, Chinese-made, high-frequency, transformerless inverters that everyone else is selling in our systems. And you'll never have to worry about our much safer, low-frequency, transformer-based inverters damaging your home's appliances like our competitors' transformerless inverters can.
Burning bright, my future's clear. Every end draws me near. Solar dream, yeah, I'm breaking free. Living off the grid, just the earth and me. Yeah, no more wires, no more greed. I got the power that I need.
We use only the finest low-frequency, transformer-based inverters manufactured by Schneider Electric, headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts in these kits. With 160,000 employees and 1 million partners in over 100 countries, Schneider Electric is consistently ranked among the world's most sustainable companies.